Welcome to today's launch event.
It's been rather a difficult 3 years.
However, there have been some positives. It's really important we hold on to those positives and drive them forward.
We know that it takes some time to have some tangible outcomes and policies, procedures and investment coming from the central government. Therefore, it calls for joint working, partnership working across various agencies to make our lives better and our jobs easier.
We joined together in national organisations to make the case for a fair funding settlement for adult social care and for children's social care. We set out how together we can make a difference for the lives of people who draw on care and support while spending taxpayers' money well.
From the employment and skills perspective, we're lobbying government, for example, how we can get more funding into an apprenticeship system, how we could support changing the flexibility around how education and skills is delivered, and all of this supports recruitment and retention in the sector. The challenges for social care in Staffordshire, one of the key areas is around future development of managers and senior leaders and how we continue to invest in that workforce.
We have a massive issue with workforce supply. It doesn't meet the demands of our county. What we need to have is a committed and motivated workforce that can see a career pathway that they can follow from the start of their career all the way through. What we need to do is offer them training, supportive reward packages, and where we can, offer a consistent process for them to move throughout our sector.
When we surveyed care workers at all levels, what we're finding is that they want to feel valued. They want to see that they make a difference to people's lives. They go to a job that they enjoy day in and day out, see the people that they're supporting become independent, live the lives that they want to live.
People have been quite stressed over the last few years. Lots of burnout has been apparent, but overall, everybody is still happy to be working in social care. And it's really important, obviously, that we reinforce that and promote it to be a great place to work.
Our students are telling us how positive working in social care is, how rewarding a career in social care is, and how fulfilling that is.
There's a lot of talk around pay. Obviously, pay is very important to them, but there's also a focus on their futures and their careers and being recognised as care practitioners and being recognised in an industry where their skills are highly valuable, as opposed to maybe being considered not a job of choice. It might be something that they haven't thought of as a career, and we really need to change that mindset.
Social care workforce strategy has already started to pay dividends in Staffordshire. We've had real good investment from the Cabinet in recent months. Going forward, we hope that this strategy will future-proof our workforce to meet the demands of the public, and we want to co-produce a strategy where we can work together to be able to provide for that growing demand within the community.
For the first time, I can see that it's been done collaboratively, and that to me has been fantastic. We've got an opportunity here to work together, not just as local authority with care providers, but care providers with care providers, families, people who draw on services have their voice heard.
Staffordshire University has developed a number of next generation education facilities which allow people to work in realistic environments. We call it Submersion, where you can experience a number of situations but ultimately make mistakes in a safe place and reflect on those.
We have revamped our training and skills audit. We are growing our own, and we know it comes with responsibility of investing in our staff at every level so that we can see them developing their careers within Staffordshire right from the start through to wherever their ambitions want to take them.
Where we go now, I think let's use this strategy as a springboard to working proactively and together to make things better for Staffordshire.
We've got to recognise when recruiting that we've got to professionalise these roles. They are professionals. They need to be recognised professionals. It's not just a job. It is a career, it's a vocation, and we need to make sure that people understand that, to recognise it as a career of choice for people now, and that it is a lifetime, and you can go far.